This video is to show division using the standard algorithm with a 3-digit by a 1-digit with remainders. The problem we're going to start with today is going to be 235 dividing by 3. First step is to do my division, my multiplication, my subtraction, my bring down, and my repeat, also known as dad, mom, sister, brother, rover. These steps will help guide the process of long division. Next, we're going to count by 3's on the outside by our divisor to help us kind of get us going with our multiplication facts. Usually go around 6 to 7 numbers deep just to get rolling. Now here's what we're going to start with next. We have 1 digit on our outside divisor, and we're only going to look at 1 number on the inside. So what we will do is we will cover up the other 2 digits. How many times can I count by 3 and get close to or land on 2? Or the other way to think about it is, how many groups of 3 are there in 2? If I look at my list, I'm already over 2, so we know that 3 times nothing will get us close. So we're going to put, there's 0 groups of 3 in a 2. So that's going to be our division. Next up, we're going to multiply that number we just put up top there. 0 times 3 is 0. After we multiply, we are going to subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. My next step says to bring down, so we are going to bring down the 3, only the 3, not the 5. We're going to use that in a little bit. All right, and we're going to repeat. This is where they get stuck most of the time. We're going to do 3 and draw our arrow for repeating to our next row again. So how many times can I count by 3 to go into 23? Or 3 times what will get me close to 23? Looks like 24 is over, so I'm going to have to do 21, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Multiply, subtract. I'm going to bring that down, subtract. That's going to be 2. Next up, we're going to finally bring down our final number, and we are going to repeat. How many times does 3 fit inside 25? Now I notice I'm not sure if I can add another group over here, so I'm going to go a little bit higher. I'm going to add 3, so that would be 27, just to be safe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dividing. I'm going to multiply the 8 I just put up there. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtracting now. 25 minus 24 is 1. And bring down. There's nothing to bring down. And I have 3 digits here. I already subtracted 1, 2, 3 times, so I'm going to be left with a remainder here. Now, be sure that we check our work here, and students know that we can circle the mini multiplication problem that we have over here. This is really just 78 times 3. So we're going to write check, and we are going to do 78 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 2. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 2 is 23. And my remainder we add on, and that will be 235. So 235 equals 235. So my answer to my problem of 235 divided by 3 would be 78, remainder 1.